Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today is the 2020 reflection as well as my 2021 goals. So this is like a breakdown of the year as well as some things that I want to do next year. So I have my new book that I use. This is like my idea book and this is what I have my goals in. So as I'm reading, I'm going to talk about the channel stuff. I'll just add in what I want to do for 2021. So first I want to say is thank you guys for getting me over the 2K mark. Like, I started this year with 1,015 subscribers and I've gained over 1,200 subscribers this year. Never saw that coming and I was very happy about that. Thank you so much. And with more subscribers, more viewers, more watch time, I also was monetized. This was another great accomplishment because why not? You need a little bit more money. Got the first check in November and it was a nice check because I was able to buy a few books with it. So it is something that helped benefits the channel. So those of you who watch those annoying ads, sorry, I know they're annoying. Thank you so much because it is helping the funding for the books that I review on this channel. So thank you so much and I definitely appreciate it. This year I tap into things I never thought I was gonna be doing, and I love that you guys appreciate and been watching those reading vlogs. Those are my favorite videos to do. Try to be creative in them as well as review books, because I think sometimes book reviewing becomes not the most popular watch on booktube, which makes no sense because it's booktube. But within a reading vlog setting, I find that I'm able to review these books and you guys also watch what I have going on, whether I'm cooking, whether I am doing DIY project or talking about life. You guys have been very supportive and I'm very happy about that. I know, for instance, this year, just to do my writing nook, that video is still one of my best, and the book becomes memorable because I was doing the Shadow King. Yes, the Shadow King, and I think I did Life and another one. I think I had Luster in the middle of one of them too. But it's just that you can do things and talk about books, make it more interesting, and I think that's why I was able to hold you guys' attention during those videos, and I really appreciate it. And so other things are coming. There's other things I want to do, and because 2022 was such a difficult year, I find I had more time because I spent majority of this year alone. And if you are a single person living alone, trust me, I understand, but it was what it was. I had no choice. I was isolated a lot this year. So things I kept looking at, I decided to change. I built my first footstool. Love that project. And I did my bathroom. Love that project. There's other things I want to do. And I'm glad I'm able to share those within my reading vlogs. So thank you so much. Now, I have read 80 books this year. The goal was to read 70. And I read 80, so that's accomplishment. But in my heart, I really want to go to 100. That was one of my goals for the last 2 years, and I haven't hit it yet. And this year was a little harder because there were some weeks that was a struggle to read because of what was going on. And there's a book I never finished because of that, and I will go back to that book. But it was just what was going on. It just was a turn off to read, and I just find myself couldn't read for like about 2 weeks. I think I didn't read much. I picked the book up, didn't read. So I'm still gonna set my goal at 80 because I'm gonna be realistic. But if I get to a 100, I'll be super happy about it. So that's the thing. Still have not done a live show. I tried Premiere, loved it. It was able to engage in some conversation with people, but I need to do a live show on this channel just because it ties into what I want to do next. Is I would love to interview an author on this channel, and I need to test out a live show first before I embark on something like that. So that's something I am going to do in 2021. I don't know when and how I'm going to do it, but I will figure it out and it will get done at least one show. And let me know if I do a live show, would you guys join and watch? Because it's a little, to me, it's a little worrisome when you do a live show and no one really comes, because you know that would just not be a good feeling. So let me know if you guys are interested in the live show, and we'll go from there. Then I want to do continue. I want to do some more writing vlog on here, because it would tie into the next one, which is I need to complete one of my short stories. So I need to edit it to the best work possible and submit it to magazines that publish short story, contests, writing workshop, like fellowship things, just to get one out there and to see how it works, because I keep writing these stories. I have a collection which is 9 stories. I have and 2 books, 2 full-length novel that I need to start working on the editing process. I need to work on them until I get them to the best work possible for me, and try to get on the ball of getting them out there. It's like they're just being on the shelf, and so it's a little bit sad now when I look at it, like I'm keep writing these stories and I don't go nowhere with them. I need to start focusing a little harder in 2021. Then DIY project, I have more to go. There's more stuff that I want to try and just explore and see if I can do it, just to test myself and to be more creative. I am a lover of creating things with my hand, and trying things, even if it doesn't come out that great. It's just the ability to try something new, try something I thought I would never do. And to do my bathroom this year felt really good. To do the office nook felt really good. And to build my footstool and all these things I never thought I would able to do, and I did it. And I want to keep exploring and do other DIY projects, and who knows what I'll do in 2021, but I'm gonna try, guys. So alright, genres. I want to read more Caribbean, of course, and classic, but for different countries. I want to really get familiar with other authors from different countries. And then I also want to read a little bit more urban fiction, which I feel like I didn't do as much this year, because there's a lot of good urban fiction out there, and I just like to read them all, and I gotta find a way to balance. Maybe those extra 20 books that I want to get to might be in those genres that I haven't really tapped in that well. We'll see. And indie, I fell off with the indie authors, so for 2021 I want to read more indie author and small press authors. I noticed I've read a lot of big published house this year, and I want to give highlight and attention to those indie authors as well as the small press authors. So that's something I definitely want to work on. And yeah, so that's what I have. And for you guys that's been supporting, thank you so much. But let me know what kind of videos you want to see more of in 2021. If you've been following me, you got an idea of what I like to do and what I'm into. And doesn't mean everything you say I might do, but I think for the most part, majority of the requests I've had in the past, I've given it a chance. Whether or not it came out good or I enjoy the process it's a different story. But I like trying new things, as you can see, and I welcome them as long as it's something that's not just totally off the wall and, that I'm going to side-eye and wonder what the hell I'm doing. As long as it's not none of that, we're good. So yeah, I'm going to end this video here. I'm really excited for 2021. For change, for positive. I want to do more journaling stuff on here as well, and just keep adding when I do my journal mood challenge. I really had a really awesome year doing a journal mood, and it's something I'm going to continue doing. And yeah, and share my poetry. That I need to do too. I've collected quite a few poetry books, and I'm going to share the greats, and then I'm going to add my own and stop being a little bit shy about it. Because I share it on my blog. I post them on my blog, but I haven't been able to say it out loud on this channel, and it's something I want to do. I've only done once, say that loud, once at a Norican in New York, and that was a beautiful experience. It was a bucket list experience, and I loved it. If you're not familiar with Norican, it is one of the most well-known poetry cafe in New York. We're talking quite a few decades, and to be able to go there and stand in front of a room full of people and do it, that was just awesome. So I need to just, and maybe do a few where, and you might not know it's me. I don't know. But anyway, I would definitely do that. And yeah, but thank you so much, guys, for being supportive and watching my videos and the annoying ads that's popping up now, and commenting and sharing your views on a book, is whether you liked it or not. I love the ones where people don't really like, but they tell me why, and I understand, even though it doesn't change how I feel. But it's a healthy discussion, because we all are different and have very different experience with books. And so yeah, but thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day. Bye.